With Mark's Factory, we are creating an IDE for Ethereum. At the moment, it is the easiest and most diverse IDE for Ethereum. It gives you access to compile and transpile Solidity, Yule, Yule+, macroAssembly, assembly, and bytecode. You can interact based on the contract interface, the ABI, or by sending raw call data. Now you will see two low-level languages with which you can code at assembly level. One is Yule+, an extension of Yule, Solidity's intermediary language. This is a contract written in Yule+. It is a simple storage contract with a getter function and a setter function, get and store. Yule Plus comes with a couple of nice constructs over Yule, like this structure for easier data access, and you can also define the contract interface directly in the code. This means that when you compile Yule Plus, you get both the Yule equivalent and the ABI for easy contract interaction. And we can further compile Yule to assembly and bytecode, then deploy and interact. The next low-level language is macroAssembly, a macro language for EVM. This is a simple for loop in macroAssembly, where you set here the number of iterations, and in the loop we add 1 each time it passes into the for. This is the language in which I programmed the MEVM interpreter in version 3 of Taylor. It gives you macros for deployment, several loops, for loops with different flavors of running only on the stack or on the stack and in memory, macros for memory allocation, for multi-memory store and load, for multi-S store and multi-S load, and more patterns can be added. With macroAssembly, you can write very efficient code, eliminating the overhead from compiling from a high-level language like Solidity. And no other IDE gives you this level of control over the EVM.